Hello and welcome to CBS Institute. Welcome to the daily current affairs quiz. See, all the questions that we are going to discuss have been extracted from today's Hindu newspaper, that is 29th March 2021. So here I suggest you to watch the video completely, do not skip it in between. Now let's take up our quiz with the first question. See, the government said that it would launch a unique identification number called ULPIN to each and every plot in the country. The number contains how many digits? See, for example, the current scenario is this. This is a piece of land or plot owned by the person X. See, he had taken loan from bank B by putting the land documents with the bank B. Another person, for example Y, is also creating fake documents and he is also taking loans against the same land from bank B, which is unable to recognize the real owner of the land. See, what happened here is, on same piece of land, two persons had taken loan from bank B, cheating the bank. So in order to eliminate these types of frauds and other frauds as well, the government is planning to give a unique identification number to each and every plot of the country. So government will conduct a survey and it will provide a unique identification number. So through this unique identification number, the bank or other agencies can identify the location of the land and the history of the land as well. See, here this question has been raised here because in today's newspaper on first page, that is page number 1, this article makes a reference to ULPIN. See here, the center plans to issue 14-digit identification number to every plot of land in the country within a year. Very important point it is. So here, another important point is the acronym of ULPIN. So this is called the unique land parcel identification number. Unique land parcel identification number, that is ULPIN. See, this scheme has already been launched in 10 states and this has already been launched on pilot basis in 10 states. So next it would be expanded to all the states in the country by March 2022. So here 14-digit identification number to every plot of land. So here question is, the number contains how many digits? So here option B becomes the correct answer, that is 14 digits. Another important point to be noted is the acronym of ULPIN. So it is clear here, the unique land parcel identification number, that is ULPIN, also a point to be noted. Now let's take up the next question. Pang Dam Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the state of. See, this is static related question. So we have to study wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, airports, for example, okay, and others. So one topic in the static is wildlife sanctuaries location, that is state in which a particular wildlife sanctuary is located. This is also important from examination point of view. So Pang Dam Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the state of is the question here. See, this question has been raised here because this article in today's Hindu newspaper makes a reference to Pang Dam Wildlife Sanctuary area of Himachal Pradesh. This is important. Pang Dam Wildlife Sanctuary area in Himachal Pradesh. So here option C becomes the correct answer, that is Himachal Pradesh. Now let's take up the next article. Man Ki Baat was launched in which year? See, this is also static related question. These types of questions are very common in staff selection commission related exams. See, Man Ki Baat is monthly Indian radio program hosted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. See, in this program, he addresses the nation on All India Radio, DD National, and DD News. So, this Man Ki Baat program was launched on 3rd October 2014. So, this question has been raised here because this article in today's Hindu newspaper makes a reference to Man Ki Baat program. So here, speaking during the 75th edition of Man Ki Baat that started in October 2014. So this is important here. So recently, 75th episode, 75th episode of Man Ki Baat was conducted on 28th March. 28th March, that is yesterday. So here, question is, Man Ki Baat was launched in which year is the question here. Option A becomes the correct answer, that is 2014. Now let's take up the next question. National Research Center on Meat headquarters are located in which of the following cities? The National Research Center on Meat. This works under Indian Council of Agricultural Research, that is ICAR. See, ICAR is located in New Delhi, and the president of ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research, is Union Minister of Agriculture. Union Minister of Agriculture. So current minister is Narendra Singh Tomar. Secretary General, the current Secretary General is Trilochana Mahapatra. Trilochana Mahapatra is the Secretary General of ICAR, also Director General. This is so under ICAR. This is actually an autonomous body responsible for coordinating agricultural education and research in India. So under this ICAR, among the many labs, one of the labs is National Research Center on Meat, which conducts research on meat. This is located in the city of Hyderabad. Option A becomes the correct answer. See, this question has been raised here because this article makes a reference to National Research Center on Meat. So this article says that ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research, that is National Research Center on Meat. This means NRCM works under ICAR. So, and the Indian Institute of Packaging, which is located in Mumbai, have entered into a partnership, that is Memorandum of Understanding, for facilitating collaborative research and training. So here, National Research Center on Meat has partnered with Indian Institute of Packaging, Mumbai. So both the institutions jointly conduct research in the areas of meat packaging as well as imparting industrial training. So this becomes important. So here, question is, National Research Center on Meat headquarters are located in which of the following cities? Option A becomes the correct answer. Now let's take up the next question. World Theatres Day is observed on. See, the International Theatre Institute, the world's largest performing arts organization. This was founded in the year 1948 by theatre artists, dancers, and also United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO. See, International Theatre Institute is headquartered at Shanghai City, which is located in China. The current Director General is Tobias Bayankhon. So, this is the name of Director General of International Theatre Institute. See, International Theatre Institute observes two important days. One is World Theatre Day, which is observed on 27th March every year. 27th March every year. And another important day observed by International Theatre Day is International Dance Day. International Dance Day, which is observed on 29th April. 29th April. So here, World Theatres Day is observed on which of the following dates? So here, option B is the correct answer, that is 27th March. See, this question has been raised here because this article on page number 2 makes a reference to World Theatre Day. World Theatre Day, that is 27th March. With this, I conclude today's session. Thank you for watching.